In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag to a Kit form. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up an automation rule so that whenever someone subscribes through a specific form, they automatically get the right tag applied to their profile. This is really helpful for organizing your audience, segmenting subscribers, and triggering the right follow-up emails or workflows without any manual work. Let's start inside your Kit account. From your main dashboard, look for the Automate section in the navigation menu. This is where all of your automation logic lives. Go ahead and click on Automate and then select Rules. The Rules area is essentially the control center for telling Kit what to do when certain actions happen, like form submissions or purchases. Once you're on the Rules page, you'll want to create a new rule from scratch. To do that, click the button labeled New Rule. This opens up the Rule Builder, where you'll define two main things: what triggers the rule, and what action should happen when that trigger occurs. First, let's set the trigger. In the trigger options, choose the one called Subscribes to a Form. This tells Kit that the rule should fire whenever someone fills out and submits one of your forms. After selecting this trigger, you'll see an option to pick which specific form you want to use. Make sure you choose the exact form where you want this tagging to happen, especially if you have multiple forms for different offers, newsletters, or audiences. Next, it's time to define the action. In the Action section, select Add Tag. This is what will actually apply a tag to the subscriber when they complete your form. You'll now be able to choose an existing tag from your list or create a new one if you don't already have the tag you need. When creating a new tag, use a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize what it's for later, like Webinar Sign Up or Newsletter, Weekly Tips. Once your trigger and action look correct, take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right form and the right tag. When everything looks good, click Save Rule. Your automation is now active, and from this point on, anyone who subscribes through that specific Kit form will automatically be tagged just the way you set it up.